Ki khubor ka bate se TV.
Kamda ka Mahindra Powerroll India's #1 generator. Pinlat ka khuslai lahamiet neshai. Spare parts but service ru pinyo klem jing khuslai. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Kilat pathai kubor ki banabar jilla kiliyo jingtep bagi Ngut ki bapeniap yo Raja Raghuvanshi kila pla hagi pulet bagi de maki ki bele yakani kakam bat banle yakani ke Sonam kelas Siew advance lupai ki masan Hajar tingka kita long kubor kila tho bagi Sonam kela plan yakani nadu shua kisngi bakanya tho bat uraja kilat pathai kubor nabar jilla kila tho ru bagi Ngut kirunar kisah Hajan ke Ïing Basa ke bajingai tang kumash kilometer ai na ke Ïing Basa ke Sonam bat uraja ka Sonam kala batai bakala pha lupa shaki ya ka jaka ni ka location bakadon bakin jingai than e naka kila budi ni ki syukurim shadu chanongriat ban pe ya kalat babiang ban penyap Henry Kimyo badai tat ondawan phai na nongriat baki yo ya ka jaka ka babiang lay thoru bana pedeng ki Ngut waka shudeu banang pet beriu kat baka Sonam pat kala hukum ya official baru anan baki dei ban penyap no pat kumta kila mat dakawat na kle jong u Shosho kila pau ki jing shisha ling baki message baka Sonam ka pha shoraj kush waha ki baong baki bahing jongka kin omsuk bakanya shong batu Henry onda uraja ulayap kin pediang bu uni shong batka namar bakla dei ka thayap lok
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.